Hi guys, good morning. This is your Prakkash. How are you all? Today I would like to share you some dessert recipe. It is very easy and also it is very simple recipe. You can try in your home itself. It is one kind of pudding, but it is not baking, it's just a cook. The name is Semolina cream pudding. It's a creamy pudding. This is very famous in Egypt. It is a Egyptian dessert. At the time of Ramadan, they are making this dessert, and even in Ramadan buffet, they keep this one. It is very important and a traditional dessert of Egyptian. Now I give you the recipe. Take 200 gram of semolina, 100 cream of cooking cream. If you want, you can use the fresh cream also, no problem. And take 100 gram of sugar. Take a cooking pan, put the semolina, saute for 2 to 3 minutes until its color little brown, not more brown color, little brown. It's cook very little for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, remove it. Put the cream in another bowl. Cook in the low fire for 5 minutes. After the cream get little boil, add the sugar. The sugar and cream mix well, and finally you can add the semolina and just cook it for a fraction of second, not even a minute. Just a fraction of some second you have to remove it and pour in any of the glass bowl or any ceramic bowl. Don't keep it in the refrigerator. If you keep it in the refrigerator, it's became hard because it's a cream is inside. So if you put it in the refrigerator, it will be freeze. It's come like a stone. So it is a one kind of hard dessert. It is not a cold dessert, it's a hard dessert. You have to pour it and cut 1 or 2 pieces of almond or pistachio, make it as a garnish and serve hot. I will give the recipe in the description. If you have doubt, kindly check. Please share this recipe to your family and friends. Keep watching this video and keep supporting our channel. Have a good day. Thank you so much.